technology that you bring is a powerful complement.
We have a global alliance, and our alliance has been going on for a while now. So what do you think is the biggest difference that our alliance brings compared to other technology alliances that Kyndryl has?
So our collaboration is really rooted in solving complex problems for our customers and the challenges that they face. If you think about it, what is the mission for AI Labs and how we approach AI, it's really about bringing that adoption of AI in a trustworthiness, reliable, governed way that gives that confidence of client to really adopt whatever is the outcome of AI into their mission-critical systems. And so as we think about it, your observability capability are foundational to what we're trying to accomplish. Because at the end of the day, we have all these customers reaching to us, understanding that they have to move really to AI adopted, but they have all these concerns. They are concerned about compliances, governance, and all these other elements. And so powering with the observability and the security technology that they bring, combined with our expertise, is what brings us kind of like that powerful solution that addresses their problems.
Kyndryl positions itself as a services powerhouse with deep industry expertise. How do you see Elastic's open platform and scalable platform complementing that model to accelerate business transformation for verticals such as FSI, healthcare, or manufacturing?
Sure. The technology that you bring is a powerful complement on what we do. At the end of the day, our objective is not to deliver technology or deploy technology. It's really to shape the outcome that matters and that really makes an impact for our customer. And so when we think about it, the co-development, the co-innovation that we're able to do, bringing our expertise and capabilities in a variety of sectors with your technology is really what drives that outcome.
From a customer success standpoint, the Elastic Kyndryl Alliance has brought already some results worldwide. Can you make an example of a case in which our joint alliance has brought some tangible results?
Yes, compelling case that I can think of where we really brought together the capability and really delivering that business outcome. I'm thinking about a financial services institution that was facing really a performance combined with the challenging budgeting costs with really ballooning licensing costs. So it was really kind of like taking your technology, your Elastic security solution, really embedded and deployed it with our capability that really gave that boosted performance enhancement, but really while maintaining budget and a cost constraint.
Finally, if you had to summarize this alliance in one sentence for enterprise customers, what would you like them to take away?
I would say that is trusted transformation at scale.